hi team, Himanshu Bharti this side. I am from Ghaziabad. So like after completing my post graduation, that is M.C.A, I got the offer to work for Convent, that is in Greater Noida. There I worked for 2.5 years as technical support engineer. After working there, I joined as an internship program Evision Technology Private Limited, that is in Noida. So here I got to know many of the technologies like CCNA, ITIL, Windows Administrator, and many of the things. Okay, I got to know about how to deal with incident management, how to do the installations and all, how to configure DSCP, DNS server. Okay, then I got to know about the VPNs. I got to know about how to manage the Windows administrative things like including Active Directories and all. Okay, dealing with the local user, then admin user. That's all. Especially thanks the staff of Evision, that like those who all teach me very well. Okay, including all of the teachers in here in Evision, and the staff of Evision, including the Shamli ma'am, Priya ma'am, and then Sati ma'am, and many of the senior staff like manager Ganesh sir. Okay, Ganesh sir, then Amit sir. So specially thanks to all of them. Like because of them, I got the offer to work for Tata Technologies. I got the placement in Tata Technologies because of Evision Technology only. Okay, so especially thanks to all of the team members, all of the faculty here in Evision. Especially thanks from my bottom of my heart, and thank you very much.